In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save in Canva. This is especially helpful if autosave isn't available for your account. Your internet connection is spotty, or you simply prefer the peace of mind that comes from saving on your own terms. Start by opening the project you're working on so you're looking at the design canvas. Give the page a moment to fully load, especially if it's a large design with multiple elements or pages. Once you're in your project, move your attention to the very top left corner of the screen. You'll see a menu labeled File. This is where Canva keeps essential actions related to your document. Click File. A drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, look for the option labeled Save. Click Save, and Canva will store your current changes. That's the entire process. It's quick, straightforward, and it ensures that the work you've done up to that point is preserved. After you click Save, watch for a brief confirmation. Depending on your setup, you might see a message near the top of the editor, something like All Changes Saved, or a small status indicator that updates. Give it a second or two, especially if your connection is slower or your project contains a lot of high-resolution images. It's a good idea not to close your browser tab or app until you see that confirmation update, just to be sure everything is finished saving. If the save option looks inactive or you don't see any changes to save, that typically means your current edits have already been captured, or there aren't any new edits since the last save. If the button is visible but your internet connection is unstable, the save may take a little longer. Patience here helps. You can continue working, but keep an eye on that status at the top of the editor. A quick reminder, manual saving is most useful right before you step away, switch to another project, or close the editor. Building the habit of clicking File and then Save. At those moments can prevent accidental loss, especially when you're juggling multiple tabs or working on a deadline. To recap the flow in simple terms, open your project, go to the top left, click File, and choose Save. That's it. Practice this a couple of times so it becomes second nature. With that, you're all set to keep your design safely stored whenever you want, even without autosave.